Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk about something that my wife and I have decided not to prep. Some people do. So I'm going to throw it out there, and like all these Your Prep for Today, it's up to you to decide if that's something you want to do. All right? Talking about cheese powder. My wife has gotten really with cheese powder and she won't touch it. However, we also have chest freezers with blocks of cheese in it, frozen. They'll last for decades. And so we don't need to have cheese powder because we've got plenty of regular cheese frozen. Now, cheese powders, according to some, not knowing because we don't use it, have a lot of things you can use it in, and you don't have to worry about it taking up space. You don't have to worry about the chest freezer losing power. And there's a bunch of other things too. Well, that's true. Unless, of course, you have some solar panels and a battery system and inverter to keep that chest freezer going indefinitely. But cheese powder, like I said, it takes up less room, weighs less, and supposedly you can do a lot of things. So I don't know. If you know some of the things to do, please, in the comment section down below, put things you can use the cheese powder for. All right, because that's one thing that, we're not going to be interested in, but someone else on here who's watching this may be very interested in knowing what you can do with cheese powder. All right, so thank you, all of you that put comments down below on what cheese powder can be used for. Also, if you can remember, please give us the thumbs up on it down there. Alrighty, so I'm going to put the link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up here, the link to the Prepping for Beginners up here, and the link for Prepping in Private down here. See you around.